What is up, y'all? It is your icy boy, Apex3639, back at it again with another reaction video. So today we will be looking at another video by How To Basic himself, called How to Ride a Motorcycle. If y'all have seen my reactions to his videos in the past, y'all know what to expect. For those of you who are new to my channel, well, just prepare to be scarred if that ends up happening to y'all. So, without further ado, let's get it! Here's the eggs. What the? Bruh! Are you trying to hit the motorcycle or are you trying to... Oh. Rip the motorcycle. Jesus Christ. That motorcycle is not even rideable at this point. Called it. What? What the fuck? What? Okay, that video wasn't really scarring. It was just a huge fucked up twist in the end. But appreciate y'all watching. Be sure to leave your thoughts down in the comments of what I should do next. Be sure to give this video a massive thumbs up. Be sure to tap the bell button for notifications so y'all are notified every time I post. Be sure to smash that subscribe button. Could really use them. I really could. But if y'all want to go check out How to Basics content, well, y'all can go click the link to his channel, which will be down in the description box down below. So y'all go check out his content. I know y'all want to. But that's it for today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.